not stolen from the haunted mansion whatsoever. We're still heading towards the Curse of Alton Manor. Was this from Doctor Who? What you got? Oh, it's a feather duster. Who's this one? Looks suspiciously like the man at the end of the haunted mansion. I've been coming to Alton Towers for years, and without fail, every single time, I get lost. I'm never quite sure where I'm going.
What is this?
Oh! It's one of those newfangled machines. Is that you?
It's me!
How long have you been dead?
Why, I don't know, too long. Why am I trapped in that little box? Look at that. So are you, yeah, we're both here.
It's amazing, isn't it? This is what's going to happen in the future, a long time in the future. Trust me. Put money on it now.
Right, I'll put 2 shillings on that.
Yeah, good idea.
Through the grounds for the viewing of the estate, a property of rich and captivating history.
We're in the queue line. And again, this all looks quite familiar. Have you ever been to Disney World on the Haunted Mansion? You see lots of this. Not knocking it, it's all good fun. You looking forward to this, Charlie?
Yeah.
Do you know anything about it? No, me neither. Tossed from a horse, she's dead, of course. Anyone who's been before and remembers this as Jewel will remember never having to queue. Strange child.
It's just said on the app that it's reopened and it has a 10-minute queue.
10-minute queue. Whoop whoop. So if it's good, we will be able to do it more than once. I think most of that 10 minutes might be in line. And we're going in.
On the 31st of December, 1892, Mr. and Mrs. Alton held a party to celebrate the turning of a new year. However, on the final chime of midnight, the manor appeared to be struck by a storm of supernatural proportions. All known occupants of the house perished. That is, aside from the owner's only child, Emily.
Father, please may I have some party?
No, you may not. Now get to your room, you wretched little creature.
Jewel. Forget what Jewel was like. Get yourself down to this. I can't believe it was only a 10-minute wait. I thought with it being a 10-minute wait, this is going to be absolute pants, but no, absolutely loved it. What was going on? My mind's going all like that now because I'm not quite sure what's happening. It was very noisy, it was very loud, there was lots of jump scares. If you're easily scared, this is not for you. I would say perhaps this is the best ghost train I've ever been on. There's only one that could beat it for me. Disney's Haunted Mansion. Lots of this is inspired by Disney's Haunted Mansion, I think. But no, get yourself down and give this a go, it's amazing. In fact, going on again. Bye for now.